Hello traders, thank you for your time and I welcome to all of you in my channel Live Trading with Veer. Friends, today I am going to discuss one of the case study of my latest trades or two trades. One is positional one and other is a trade from my live trading session. Friends, during this video session you will get to understand how and why I decided to take these two trades and what was the initial risk and reward ratio of these trades and what was the probability of success. My dear friends, these calculations are necessary to get an edge over the other traders. It increases your probability of success. It is because why these calculations are necessary, because it is not easy to make money from the market without proper trade planning, winning mindset and right approach. If we club all together, then there are high chances of your success. So let's start the what was the trade and how I took the trade. Disclaimer, friends, this is my small introduction. So you can see one day before I told you in the mornings I post this post on my Facebook account and I predicted that there is a very good pattern appear at this point at the support of this. After a big fall there is a support line this, and here it has made a very good reversal pattern, but I have to wait for some confirmation. I predicted that there is a reversal possibility of reversal around more than 50% probability, and after a small dip there are more than 60% probability of the reversal. So I waited for the confirmation, and when it confirmed I took the trade, and you can see this was my positional trade. I entered the trade into the trade with half lot of gold at this price and sold it at this price, and during this trade I earned 85,100 rupees, and it was the good risk and reward ratio. If we can see that there is very less probability of the market to get down from this line, which was the very good support, and if it break this support line, then there may be a very big fall. So that's why we need a confirmation of the trade. So this was the first trade, and the second one is the live trading session when market arrived at this point, and after struggling of 5-6 hours it shows some opportunity, so we took this trade also, and at that trade we earned around 9,250 rupees. So let's discuss both trades in detail. So friends, this is the same triangle as we saw in my previous slide. As you can see, market show run according to as we predicted. So when it comes out of the this triangle and it is above this moving average, I took this trade half lot at this price and sold it at this price at here. Why? I entered into this trade with half quantity at 1685-87 rupees, and I hold the same trade till it touch the first barrier, which is this blue line, which is around 1714. I waited some time, but when it started reversing, so I exit at this point at this. So during this trade, as I have already told you, I earned around 85,100 rupees. In dollars, we can see this was around 625 dollars, and in Indian rupees it is 85,100 rupees. Good risk and reward ratio, very good trade. As you can see that after this the market went into a trading range, and this trading range was for around 6 hours, so it was very difficult to make money in this channel. When it comes out of this channel, I took one more trade, and that trade was of my live trading session with Veer, and I bought the 0.25 quantities at 1710, and I sold it at the same quantities at 1715 at this point. Why? Because you can see this is the trend line, not trend line, this is the moving average, and it is behaving like a good resistance. So I exited at this point. And in this trade I also earned around 9,250 rupees. So as you can see, both trade are good trades, and both trade are calculated with some calculations with good risk and reward ratio, and this was the expectation of the every trader from every trade. So friends, if you want to make consistent money, you have to do these type of calculations. You have to wait for the right opportunity. So friends, that's it for today. Happy trading.